From the Unit 6 review, Algebra 4 Honors. Problem number 10 has two parts, A and B. I'm going to start by doing part A. So we are going to multiply the two fractions and we're going to put it in its simplest form. Alright, from both 2x squared and negative 10x terms, I can factor out a 2x and I'd be left with x minus 5. And this trinomial, 3x squared plus 2x minus 8, what multiplies to give you negative 24, and adds or subtracts to give you 2. So that would be let's see here, so 1 and 24, no. 2 and 12, no. 3 does not work. 8, let's go 4 and 6, so positive 6 and negative 4. So x plus 6 and x minus 4. Now remember, if the leading coefficient is different than 1, you have to do bottoms up. So x plus 2, because 6 divided by 3 reduces to 2. 4/3 cannot reduce, so you push up the 3. So I factored both the numerators and both. Now I'm going to look at the denominators. I can pull a 6 out and an x. So 6x times x minus 5. I'm going to go off to the side and do factoring by grouping. Pull out an x squared, and you'll be left with 3x minus 4. I'm going to rewrite 3x minus 4 with the question mark in front. What times 3 gives you negative 12x? What times 3x gives you negative 12x, and that same number times negative 4 gives you positive 16. And the answer is negative 4. Checking my work. Okay, that works. So they both have a 3x minus 4 in common. In front of the first parenthesis is an x squared, and in front of the second is a negative 4. This is what I factored from this denominator. Remember, x squared minus 4 factors into x plus 2 and x minus 2. Alright, now I'm looking just to reduce by canceling factors that are in common in the top and bottom. So I have an x minus 5 and an x minus 5. I have a 3x minus 4 and a 3x minus 4, an x plus 2 and an x plus 2, a single x and a single x, and 2 and 6 reduce. 2 goes into itself once, 2 divides into 6 3 times. So left on top is a 1, only a 1, and on the bottom is a 3 times the quantity, x subtract 2. B. Okay, I'm going to start by, this is a sum of cubes. So remember 27 is 3, 3, 3, x, 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 and 1, 1, 1. So I'm going to factor this expression, bringing the first sign up. The last is always positive, and these two are opposite. Taking 1, 3, 1x, and 1, 1. 3 times 3 is 9. X times x is x squared. 1 times 1 is 1. The inside is 9x squared. The outside should also be 9x squared. So 3x and 3x gives you 9x squared. Remember, your opposite signs is going to allow those two to cancel out. This is the factored form of the numerator of the first fraction. On the bottom, what multiplies to give you negative 10 and adds or subtracts to give you positive 3, negative 5, and positive 2. The denominator of the second fraction, 9x squared minus 1, factors into 3x plus 1 and 3x minus 1. And I'm going to do bottoms up for this. Remember, the leading coefficient is a 3. Don't forget about the 3. What multiplies to give you negative 15 and adds or subtracts to give you 14. Positive 15 and negative 1. So x plus 15 and x subtract 1. Put a 3 underneath both. 15 divided by 3 is 5. and 1/3 is already reduced, so we push it up to give you 3x minus 1. Okay, looking to reduce. Let's see, this is a x, this should have been, excuse me, I made a mistake here. This should have been x plus 5 and an x minus 2. X plus 5 and negative 2 still gives you a negative 10, but it allows you to positive 5 and negative 2 gives you a positive 3. Okay, x plus 5 and x plus 5, 3x plus 1 and 3x plus 1, 3x minus 1 and 3x minus 1. Be left with the trinomial 9x squared minus 3x plus 1 on top. And on the bottom, you're left with the factor x subtract 2.